Hey y'all, I have big news. My YouTube membership, The Digital Club, is officially live. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to hear the incentive for the first 50 people who join. If you've been wanting to take your digital marketing journey to the next level, this membership is for you. So what is the Digital Club? The Digital Club is my exclusive YouTube membership designed to help you learn and grow and start making money online. Think of it as your go-to place for deeper insights, strategies, and behind-the-scenes content that I don't share anywhere else. So now to the fun part. What do you get inside? You're going to get exclusive, member-only videos and tutorials, a deeper dive into live Q&A sessions, members only, bonus content like free digital products, free templates, free resources, special badges, and access to my community chat of like-minded individuals where I'll be sharing all kinds of tips and tricks on content creation and digital marketing, and a lot of free resources. And don't worry, my regular lives and free content will stay the same. You'll still get all the value that you're used to in my regular lives. But the Digital Club is for those who want even more. More strategy, more access, and more tools to succeed. So why should you join the Digital Club? If you are serious about making money online and breaking free from the 9-to-5 struggle, this is your chance to get closer access to my knowledge and strategies. Honestly, this is the community that I wish that I had when I first started. And now to the good part. For the first 50 people to join the Digital Club, I'm giving you my exclusive digital product one-on-one guide completely free. This guide walks you through step-by-step how to start selling digital products. But here's the best part. You can use this guide for your own knowledge, or since it comes with PLR, private label rights, you can edit it, rebrand it, even market and sell it at your own price. It's a ready-to-go digital product that you can instantly add to your business. But this is only available for the first 50 members who join the membership. So hit the join button now to claim yours. Okay guys, the Digital Club is officially live. Click the join button below to become a member. Let's build success together. See you on the inside. Bye guys.